This is being creative on how you design your shoelaces. 1. Just put in the first side of the laces. Just continue till the end. Then the other side till the end of the lace. Then join the two sides of the laces by inserting the two ends of the laces in the side holes. And pull the ends together and tie them to make a ribbon. Number 2. First, insert the half part of the lace at the part of the shoe. Insert the lace on the right side on the third hole, and follow it on the left. Then follow inserting in the fifth holes on the left side, and on the fifth holes in the right side. Then follow inserting in the last hole on the right. Do all the same steps in the other part of the laces till the end. Just make sure you won't skip the step. Insert the end of the lace on the fifth hole on the right, then on the left side. Then insert on the last hole on the left side, and pull the two ends of the laces and tie them into a ribbon. Number 3. First, insert both ends of the laces into the end of the shoe. Insert the end of the lace on the left, through the last hole on the right side up. Then insert the end of the lace on the left down back, through the next hole. Insert the end of the lace on the right through the last hole on the left side of the shoe. Insert the end of the left back through the next hole. Put the left end up in the second hole on the right, and put it down on the third hole. Next, insert the right end upwards into the second hole on the left, and insert downwards into the third hole. Insert the left end upwards into the fourth hole on the right. Insert the left end upwards into the fourth hole on the left. Insert both ends at the same time in the center of the laces under. Then pull and tie them up together. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.